We're building something here. A complete journey into algorithmic trading from the very basics all the way to a professional level. If you are looking for shortcuts, quick profits, or easy money, this is not for you. Because this series is about depth, about understanding, not guessing. We're going to build your foundation, then take you to the intermediate level and eventually turn you into a disciplined, system-driven trader. And no, this doesn't happen overnight. So if you're serious, if you're ready to learn this the right way, hit that subscribe button. Today is day 5. Let's continue the journey. Welcome back to the series. If you've made it till day 5, you're already ahead of most traders who quit early. On this channel, we're not just learning trading, we're building systems, discipline, and long-term thinking. Today, we're going to break one of the most dangerous barriers in your journey: myths about algorithmic trading. Myth number 1: algo trading is fully automatic money-making. The reality is algorithms don't print money, they execute logic. If your logic is weak, your losses become faster. Think of it like a machine. If you feed it bad instructions, it will follow them perfectly and lose perfectly. Myth number 2: you need to be a coding genius to do algo trading. The truth is, while coding helps, you can start with basic tools, platforms, and even visual builders. Myth number 3: algo trading removes all emotions. In reality, emotions shift from execution to decision-making. You may interfere, stop systems, or over-optimize. Myth number 4: if a strategy works in backtesting, it will work in real markets. But markets change. Slippage, latency, and psychology impact real performance. Myth number 5: you need expensive courses or secret strategies to succeed. The truth is, consistency, testing, and understanding beat any secret strategy. So what should you actually focus on? Logic building, risk management, and continuous improvement. In the upcoming days, we'll go deeper into building real systems step by step. If this video added value in your life, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.